So in this video, we'll be looking at simultaneous equations, and these can be solved in a variety of ways, but today we'll be focusing on the elimination method and the substitution method. Alright, so firstly, we're going to look at the elimination method. Alright, so with this method, what you basically do is you eliminate a variable. That means you find a variable, then you use that solution to find the other. Alright, so here we have for x plus 2y equal 22, 3x plus y equal 18. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. Alright, so we want to have like terms in both equation that we may eliminate one variable. So here we see that we can easily get y by just multiplying equation 2 by 2. So we end up with 3 times 2, 6x plus 2y equals 36. And we have a third equation, equation 3. And we're going to use equation 1 because 2y can cancel 2y, right? Alright, so we have 4x plus 2y equals 22. So cancel the 2y, what we basically have to do is to subtract, right? So everything by minus 1. So 4 from 6, we end up with 2x minus 2y. From 2y, we have no y value, so we end up with 0. So minus 22 from 36, we end up with 14, and 2 divided by 2, so we have x being equal to 7. So we eliminated y, we found x, and x is equal to 7. Now we're going to use this x value to find y. So we're going to use this x value in equation 1. So we have 4x plus 2y equals 22. Using our x value, we have 4 by 7 plus 2y equals 22. So we have 28 plus 2y equals 22. 2y is equal to minus 6. Divide through by 2. Divide through by 2. Y is equal to minus 3. So we have a unique solution as x only has one value, y has only one value, which is minus 3. Now we can check to see if this is correct. We're going to substitute our x values and our y values. So here we have 4 by 7 plus 2 by minus 3, so 28 minus 6. There we get our 22. So we see that it's correct. And again, we have 3 by 7 plus minus 3. So that is 21 minus 3, and we have 18. So we can see that our solution is correct. Now we're going to do this same question using the substitution. Alright, so now we're going to look at that same question using the substitution method. So when we substitute, generally what we do is we put one thing into another, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make one variable the subject, right? And it's easier to make y the subject if you look, because there you have y by itself in equation number 2. So we're going to make y the subject. So we have y equal to 18 minus 3x, and we have equation number 3. So we are going to substitute equation 3 into equation 1, where we have our y value, since we have y being equal to that. So what we have is 4x plus 2, or y value, which is 18 minus 3x, being equal to 22. So we have 4x plus 36 minus 6x equals to 22. We have minus 6 plus 4, we have minus 2x plus 36 being equal to 22. So minus 2x is therefore equal to 36 you see what happens? So you bring over, that becomes negative. So minus 2x is equal to 22 minus 36, and that gives you minus 14 divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2. So x is equivalent to 7. That's what we got before, right? For x value, yes. So we can see that everything is going good so far. So now we're going to use our x value again and find y. So we have 4 by x plus 2y equals 22. So 4 by 7 plus 2y is equal to 22. 28 plus 2y is equal to 22. 2y is equal to minus 6. 2y is therefore equal to minus 3. And we have the same solution, 7 minus 3. So either ways can get you your answers. Alright? No need to worry. Now, here we have another example. Example number 2. 3x minus 2y equal 8. 4x plus y equals 7. Solve this pair of simultaneous equation. Now, you can feel free to pause the video and use either method you feel most comfortable with. But I'll just go ahead and use the, let me see. I'll just use the substitution method. Alright, so y is equal to 7 minus 4x. So we have equation 1, equation 2, and our third equation. Now I'm going to put y into equation 1. So we have 3 by x minus 2, my y value, which is 7, minus 4 equals 8 for x. So 3x minus 2 times 7 minus 14 minus 2 times minus 4, that gives me positive 8x is equal to 8, and I end up here with 3 plus 8, that is equal to 3 plus 8 is 11x. Is equal to 8 plus 14. So 11x is equal to 22 divided by 11 divided by 11. X is therefore equal to 2. So using my x values now, I have 3x minus 2y equal 8. 3 by 2 minus 2y is equal to 8. So 6 minus 2y is equal to 8. Minus 2y is equal to 8. Minus 6 minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. And again, we can always check our answers because we have a solution of 2 minus 1, unique solution. Checking our answers, we have 3 by 2 minus 2 by minus 1. So we have 6 plus 2, we have our 8. That's good. And we have 4 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 7. So here we have our final example for simultaneous equation. Remember, you can pause the video, you can try it, and you choose which method best suits you. And remember, it's nothing hard, it is simple. Once you understand it, you are good to go. So this is our last question. So we have equations 1 and 2. So 4x minus 4y equals 28. 3x plus 2y equals 6. And I'm going to use the elimination method for this one. So I'm going to times equation 2 by 2 so that I get 4y. So we can easily eliminate. So we have 6x plus 4y we equal to 12. 4x minus 4y is equal to 28. So I can go ahead and add these equations as to eliminate or y. So we have 6 plus 4, 10x, 4 plus minus 4, that's 0. 12 plus 28, that's 40, divided by 10. X is equal to 4. Alright, now we're going to use our x value to find our y value. So we have 4x minus 4y equals 28. 4 by 4 minus 4y is equal to 28. So we have 16 minus 4y is equal to 28. So minus 4y is equal to 28 minus 16, and that is equal to 12. Dividing through by minus 4, we have y is equal to minus 3. So here's our unique solution, 4 minus 3. And remember that we can always check to see if our answer is correct. So it is 4 by 4 minus 4 by minus 3 equals 28. So that is 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. So 28 is equal to 28. So we're good. 3 by 4 plus 2 times minus 3 is equal to 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 6 is definitely equal to 6. So there we're good to go. So have yourself a great day and see you next time.